Here we are, and it's raining. I came out here today to do a bit of brush cutting, but now of course it's raining. Good news is there's no damn bugs. Well, that's all I got left of that peak to take apart. Let's take a look. Rain or no rain, let's take a look. So, I just want to see how far it is to the actual post. Still quite a ways down there, huh? Well, there it is. So yeah, that's a lot of trees and shrub that have to come down. Huh. I might still do some, but we'll see in a bit. Can't really do too much when it's raining. Yeah, we'll clear out some of that. All it's going to do is make my yard bigger. Because where that tree is over there, that's where it starts, my side. So if I clear this shit out, just make my side look bigger. Because Migo doesn't want to put anything over there, which is why my side will look bigger. We can clear some of this out too, I suppose. Anyway, I'm really looking forward to getting started on my work, but can't put the cart before the horse. If I could have done two things today. I could have done some trimming, or I could have shoveled up some more of this shit. I get all this cleared out. The floor, believe it or not, is about a foot down. So I can't even do that at the minute. But yeah, I was thinking about recycling these cupboards, but they're too moldy and they're full of mold and everything, so we're not messing with it. Just get rid of it. That's all. Yeah, even these shelves are full of dry rot, so look at that. Just touch it and it falls down. But at least it's dry in here. Roof doesn't leak. Well, this side of the house doesn't anyway. This side of the house leaks a lot. Well, I got about 3 hours to kill. I'll take a little walk down here. This is at the front. And then the pig goes basically there. All the way to here. A yellow pig. I got quite a bit of work done so far. God knows I ain't picking up all this shit myself. But from that tree all the way down to there, I'll go to the corner and look backwards. Let's see, I cut all those down, all in there. So now when you're coming around this corner, see quite a bit more. So yeah, got quite a bit done. I don't know where the marker is. Let's see. How close did I get to that? Should be right here somewhere. Oh, there it is. So there's the marker. So that's it. That's what I didn't do. But not a bad day effort, if you ask me. There you go, Santo. I cut down. Oh, bunch more shit. Yeah, so we're coming down here. It looks pretty good. We gotta do the trees one of these days. But I thought I'd take a break from tearing the house down and do something different, so I thought I'd get rid of some of this shit. But I was gonna do some more back there, just in there a little bit and a little bit here, but I'm tired. Okay, so that's what it looks like from the roadway when you're coming up. So I'm going to take a little break. I might do a little bit more, or I might say screw it and that's enough. So see you later.